Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your password on Hulu, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is an online subscription-based video streaming service, similar to Netflix and Disney Plus and other similar services. It is currently only available in the US due to licensing problems. However, you can circumvent that and just use a VPN if you are not located in the US. Now, to actually watch Hulu, you will need to subscribe to a plan, and of course, you will need an account. Once you have an account, you will set up a password, and let's say you want to make a password more difficult, or just change it for whatever reason you might have. The way you do this is by entering your account, by logging in, of course, and then go into your account center. Next to your account information, you should see your password information, and you can just click change password, and that will be perfectly fine. Just change your password to whatever you want, enter the new password, and then confirm it, and then you're good to go. Another way you can do this also is by going into Hulu, and when you're logging in, you can select that you either forgot your password or email. Once you select that you forgot, you'll have to enter your email address, and a mail with a link to reset your password will be sent to you. Once it gets to you, it expires in 3 hours, so you need to be quick. Double check your spam and junk folders, as you can see here on this article, and you will find it. Click the link, and then you'll have the same process of resetting your password, and everything should be perfectly fine. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.